fasten your seatbelts and unplug your expectations, because in the electrifying realm of innovation, we're more charged up than a Tesla in ludicrous mode. I'm Richard, and alongside me are Grace and Andrea for the shockingly brilliant inaugural EV Powered Awards, where we'll be celebrating the sparks that drive the future of electric mobility in 2024.
We're not just talking about any old cars, oh no. We're talking about the silent heroes of the road, the sleek and the chic, the electron-powered wonders that make petrol heads reconsider their life choices. Yes, we're diving headfirst into the electric current of innovation. From sleek rides to genius minds, fasten your seatbelts and join us for an electrifying ride into the future. This is the EV Powered Awards.
Whilst autonomous driving is not quite here yet with the cars we'll be featuring, our own voice of God has been replaced by our very own AI Andy. Hello, Andy.
Thank you, Richard. It's a pleasure to be here. Now, before you say anything, Richard, I know what you're thinking. Goodbye, Siri. Hello, well, me.
You're stealing my lines, Andy. I thought I was the funny one here.
Oh, Richard, you're the host with the most. I'm just here to add a bit of electric flair.
And with that, it's over to our own pocket rocket Grace for the very first category.
Our first category proves that good things come in small packages. Take me, for instance. Picture this: bustling streets, tight corners, and the need for a ride that zips through the urban maze. Today we're celebrating the vehicle that not only conquered the concrete jungle, but did it with an electric heartbeat. The Best City Car of the Year award honours the car that seamlessly blends practicality, innovation, and a dash of that urban flair. And the finalists are
Fiat 500e, Citroën Ami, Electric Mini, and the Volkswagen e-Up.
And the winner is the Citroën Ami.
The Citroën Ami, small in size, big on impact. The Citroën Ami is not just a car, it's a city dweller's dream come true. This pocket rocket earned the title of Best City Car due to its ingenious blend of compact design, emission-free electric powertrain, and agile maneuverability perfectly suited for urban environments. Whether you're zipping through narrow streets or enjoying the ease of electric power, this urban marvel is turning heads and winning hearts.
Now onto a category where we celebrate the motoring equivalent of a well-crafted espresso shot. These cars may not be large as your ambitions, but they pack a punch and will make you rethink the definition of compact, as we dive into a world where small isn't just beautiful, it's downright thrilling. Here are the finalists of the Small Car of the Year category.
Peugeot E208, Vauxhall Corsa Electric, MG4 EV, and the Volkswagen ID.3.
And the winner is the MG4 EV.
Proving that greatness doesn't always come in large packages, introducing the MG4 EV. This little dynamo isn't just a car, it's a spark of ingenuity on the electric highway. The MG4 EV is not just revolutionizing the electric car game, it's doing it with a price point that'll make your wallet do a happy dance. It's not just about getting from A to B, it's about doing it with flair and affordability. With the MG4 EV.
Moving on, we now look at Best Family Car of the Year. These ain't just vehicles, they're the maestros of multitasking, the minstrels of the school run, and the champions of grocery getting. Forget about compromise, these cars are here to prove that family-friendly cars can also be ferociously fun, and the contenders in the Best Family Car of the Year category are
Polestar 2, Volvo X30, Skoda Enyaq, and last but not least, the Tesla Model 3.
And the winner is the Tesla Model 3.
The Tesla Model 3. It's a family-friendly force to be reckoned with, blending style, technology, and practicality. The Tesla Model 3 isn't just turning heads, it's turning family outings into electric adventures, with its sleek design, cutting-edge tech, and spacious interior. Safe, stylish, and oh so practical. Congratulations to Tesla for putting the fun in functional and proving that eco-friendly rides can be a family affair.
Now, let's look at a category that defines automotive sophistication, with more flair than a James Bond tuxedo, the Best Premium Electric Car of the Year. These aren't just cars, they're rolling statements of opulence, the chariots of choice for those who like acceleration as swift as their stock portfolios. We're talking about the luxury liners of the highway, where power meets plush in a symphony of leather and electrons. So fasten your seatbelts and prepare for a ride that's more first class than a private jet. The finalists in the Best Premium Car of the Year are...
What a lineup we have for this category. Kicking it off with the Porsche Taycan, Mercedes EQS, Lucid Air, and the BMW i7.
And the winner is the Mercedes EQS.
This isn't just a car, it's an electric chariot, a blend of opulence and futuristic brilliance. Behold the Mercedes EQS, where cutting edge meets comfort in a dance of luxury. It's not just a car, it's an electric masterpiece, turning heads with its sleek design, high-tech cockpit, and a ride that's smoother than a jazz melody. Premium, powerful, and the epitome of automotive grace. The Mercedes EQS is rewriting the rules of electric elegance.
We're now diving into a category that's bigger, bolder, and more majestic than a herd of stampeding elephants, the Best Electric SUV Car of the Year. These aren't your average family haulers. They're the off-road titans, the kings and queens of the urban jungle. We're talking about electric beasts that combine power, practicality, and a dash of adventure. The finalists in the Best Electric SUV Car of the Year are...
the Audi Q8, Mercedes EQA, Kia Niro EV, and the Hyundai Ioniq 5.
And the winner is the Kia Niro EV.
The Kia Niro EV claimed the title of Best Electric SUV of the Year due to its impressive blend of long-range capability, practical design, advanced features, and exceptional overall value proposition. Setting a new benchmark in the electric SUV category, it offers a compelling package that meets the diverse needs of modern drivers. Hats off to Kia for giving us an SUV that's not just electric, it's electrically exhilarating.
And now for the category that's more exciting than discovering a forgotten stash of chocolate down the back of the fridge. The Bundle of Fun Award. These vehicles are not just transportation, they're the automotive embodiment of joy. The chariots of cheerfulness and the machines that make you chuckle in traffic like you've just heard a brilliant joke. In this category, horsepower meets happiness, torque merges with tickleness, and driving isn't just a chore, it's a carnival ride. And our finalists for this category are...
Carver, Moke, and Pure e-scooters. Now tell us, Richard, who is the winner?
The winner is Moke.
Get ready to ride the sunshine with the winner of the Bundle of Fun Award, the Moke EV. It's a beach party on wheels, bringing electric joy to the coast with a touch of nostalgia. Born for the beach and built for fun, the Moke EV is not just a ride, it's a rolling testament to the good times. So, grab your shades, feel the wind in your hair, and let's celebrate the Moke EV, the ultimate bundle of fun.
Now onto a category that's as rebellious as a teenager with a cause, the EV Challenger Brand of the Year. These aren't your established giants, they're the mavericks of the motorised world and the brands that dare to challenge the status quo. In this category, we're not just looking for cars, we're seeking a David ready to take on the automotive Goliaths with a slingshot full of innovation and audacity. Our disruptors are...
First up, from the heart of Sweden, Polestar, setting the standard for sustainable luxury. Proudly representing China, NIO, showcasing unparalleled electric mobility. BYD, where build your dreams becomes a reality. And finally, making waves from the United States, Fisker.
And the winner is BYD.
BYD, the brand that's not just challenging the status quo, it's rewriting the playbook. With sleek, powerful, and challenging conventions, the BYD electric lineup is proving that the future of driving isn't just green, it's electrifying. A massive shout out to BYD for not just challenging the norm, but for inspiring us all to build our dreams on the electric highway ahead.
Now we're shining a spotlight on the Best Car Repowering Company of the Year. These are the engineering maestros, the modern-day alchemists who take ordinary vehicles and sprinkle a bit of electric magic, turning them into green, mean driving machines. From revamping classic beauties to giving a modern twist to your everyday commute, these repowering companies are the unsung heroes of the electric movement. Not only have they revamped the game, but also redefined the way we think about sustainable electrifying power. And the finalists are...
Electrogenic, Lunas, Silent Classics, and Everati.
And the winner is... Lunas.
Luna's design, where the art of repowering classics meets the spark of electric innovation. This isn't just a repowering company, It's an orchestra of innovation, turning classics into electric symphonies. They've breathed new life into classics like the Rolls-Royce Phantom 5, the Jaguar XK120, and the iconic Range Rover Classic. The team at Lunaz Design is turning vintage into futuristic and creating a new breed of rock stars on the road.
And now for a category that doesn't just transport goods, it delivers a knockout punch to convention. The best commercial electric vehicle of the year. These aren't your average workhorses. They're the heavy-duty, high-voltage champions of the asphalt arena, where cargo meets charisma and hauling becomes an art form. So tighten those cargo straps and prepare for the heavyweight showdown in the commercial jungle. And our finalists are
the electric Ford Transit, Volkswagen Buzz Cargo, Vauxhall Vivaro E, and the Citroën E-Space Tourer.
And the winner is a VW Buzz Cargo.
The Volkswagen ID Buzz Cargo. This is not just a delivery van, it's a game changer in the commercial electric vehicle arena. Delivering goods and innovation with every mile, the ID Buzz Cargo is redefining the future of commercial transport. It's not just about moving packages, it's about doing it with style, efficiency, and an electric edge. With its spacious interior, cutting-edge technology, and emission-free performance, the Volkswagen ID Buzz Cargo is not just a vehicle, it's a logistics revolution on wheels.
Now let's reward the unsung heroes of efficient logistics, the wizards behind the best last-mile delivery solution company of the year. Whether it's your favourite meal arriving at your doorstep or that must-have package magically appearing on your porch, these are the folks making it happen with a green twist. And the finalists are
the Citroën Ami Cargo and Electric Assisted Vehicles, EAV.
And the winner is Electric Assisted Vehicles.
The trailblazing electric assisted vehicles, better known as EAV, specializing in redefining last-mile logistics. EAV, where every delivery isn't just a drop-off, it's a commitment to eco-friendly efficiency. With their innovative e-cargo bikes and electric assisted vehicles, EAV is showing us that the last mile doesn't have to leave a big carbon footprint. A round of applause to electric assisted vehicles for not just delivering packages, but delivering a sustainable vision for the future.
Now, in a category where the roar of engines meet the rumble of revolution, we present the best commercial vehicle repowering company of the year. These aren't your average grease monkeys. They're the architects of automotive evolution, turning commercial fleets into electric juggernauts that redefine the rules of the road. Forget about your standard workhorses. We're talking about companies that perform vehicle alchemy, transforming the mundane into the electrifying. The finalists taking companies on a journey into the future of fleet power are
kicking things off, Lunaz, Equipmake, Cleanbus, and Magtech.
And the winner is Equipmake.
Hold on to your hard hats because we have the winner of the Best Commercial Vehicle Repowering Company of the Year, the remarkable Equipmake. From transforming buses to revolutionizing trucks and their cutting-edge technologies, from electric powertrains to battery systems. Equipmake are the backbone of a sustainable commercial future.
Now let's move into a category that proves the saying, it's not just the destination, it's about the journey and the pit stops in between. The best charging network of the year, where the unsung heroes of the electric revolution charge into the spotlight. Let's applaud the charging titans, making sure your electric dreams never run out of juice. And our finalists are...
Forget about 0 to 60 speeds. Tonight, we're all about that 0 to 100% charge. Now let's meet the speed demons of the charging world. First up, Instavolt, Ionity, Tesla Charging, and finally Osprey.
And the winner is Tesla.
It's not just a pit stop, it's your electric car's favorite hotspot. That's right, it's Tesla's supercharging network. With simple and super fast solutions, it's just practical charging where you need it, when you need it. Reliable, widespread, and the epitome of hassle-free charging. So, hats off to Tesla for turning charging stops from "oh no" to "let's go."
Now let's talk about a category that's more groundbreaking than a crater on the moon, the EV Innovation Award. These aren't just cars, they're the mad scientists of the automotive world, the ones who dare to defy tradition and drive us into the future with a maniacal grin. In this category, we're not looking for speed and style, we're hunting for the electric visionaries, the mavericks of mobility, and the geniuses who make us question everything we thought we knew about cars. The pioneers at the forefront of EV innovation are...
Only 2 exceptional nominees have left a big enough mark to make this shortlist. Firstly, Neo and Fisker.
And the winner is... Fisker.
Fisker Ocean, a beacon of innovation in the electric vehicle space. Featuring a solar panel roof, the Fisker Ocean harnesses the power of the sun, making each drive more sustainable and efficient. Beyond its solar prowess, the Fisker Ocean boasts cutting-edge design and functionality, setting a new standard for electric vehicles. With its commitment to sustainable mobility and forward-thinking features, Fisker Ocean is leading the charge towards a greener future.
We now reach the crescendo of our electrifying spectacle, the EV-powered Spark Award for Outstanding Achievement. This isn't your average run-of-the-mill accolade. It's the thunderbolt of recognition, the accolade that separates the automotive gods from the mere mortals. These finalists tonight aren't just individuals, they're the architects of our electric destiny.
Here are the nominees for the EV-powered Spark Award for Outstanding Achievement. Jordan Brompton, COO of My Energy. Mel Shuffle-Botham, COO of the UK's #1 EV charging points app ZapMap. Quentin Wilson, renowned motoring journalist. Alejandro Agag, the founder of Formula E, Extreme E, and E1. And finally, Elon Musk. Well, you all know who he is.
And before I announce the winner, thank you, Andy, for all your help and support.
Thank you, Richard. It's been a pleasure.
And the winner is Alejandro Agag.
Now, let's raise a glass to the visionary behind the wheel of electric racing, the one and only Alejandro Agag. Alejandro Agag was honoured with the EV-powered Spark Award for Outstanding Achievement for his visionary leadership in driving electric mobility forward. His groundbreaking initiatives with Formula E and Extreme E have not only raised global awareness, but also spurred significant strides towards the widespread adoption of sustainable transportation solutions.
As we bid adieu to the EV-powered awards for 2024, the excitement doesn't dissipate, it magnifies. So until we reconvene for the next chapter of the EV-powered awards, let the spirit of innovation continue to surge through you. No gas, no glory, and an electrifying anticipation for what lies ahead. Thank you, and keep charging ahead.